A jury trial for the Uvalde school shooting took an unexpected delay as lawyers for both sides argued about the discrepancies in a teacher's testimony that took place yesterday afternoon.
The defendant is a former Uvalde school police officer charged with failing to protect the students and teachers who died in that attack. Fox 4's Alex Boyer is in studio tonight with the latest on the trial. Alex?
Hey guys, you know that special hearing lasted less than an hour and the trial judge quickly denied the defense's motion for a mistrial. The judge was also ready to strike the teacher's testimony from the record, but the defense asked the judge to let them continue the cross-examination of that teacher. I talked to a jury consultant who helped explain why. Former Uvalde CISD police officer Adrian Gonzalez was one of the first officers at the shooting scene at Robb Elementary School, and prosecutors say he failed to engage the shooter while still in the parking lot. 19 students and 2 teachers were killed once the shooter entered the school. During day one of testimony, former third grade teacher Stephanie Hale testified she saw the shooter in the parking lot that day.
And before you got in that classroom, did you see somebody?
Yes, on the way to the classroom, I saw a person in all black and a long weapon.
The defense raised an issue about this part of the testimony, what Hale actually saw. The defense saying it contradicted the information they received from the state.
And so, if she did report these things to the prosecution, we were entitled to that to prepare for this. And this is a trial by ambush.
Leading to Wednesday's hearing outside the presence of the jury, where the judge denied the defense's motion for a mistrial.
For the record, there was a motion for mistrial, and on that motion for mistrial, I'm going to find it's denied because I think the remedies available are sufficient to protect the due process rights of the defendant.
The judge was set to strike Hale's testimony altogether, but the defense wants to continue its cross-examination of Hale on the witness stand Thursday.
We want to unring the bell first before there's an instruction to exclude it, because and have them exclude it all in its entirety, which is fine. But we would like to be able to unring that bell.
Well, it's an unexpected twist and turn early on.
Allison Richardson is a jury consultant who listened in on the hearing. She explains why the defense didn't want the judge to simply strike Hale's testimony.
But they want the opportunity to rectify that testimony to the jury and then be able to ask that the testimony be stricken. And I think what they said about unringing the bell is very important, because we use that term a lot. You know, the teacher's testimony was very emotional. I'm sure it made a great impact on the jurors, and it will be hard for them to forget. So the defense team will try to come in and try to controvert her testimony, and so that the jury understands that what she is saying is not in alignment with what she has said before.
So again, these questions about the teacher's testimony are important to the defense because they are trying to convince the jury that Adrian Gonzalez was not negligent in his response as a police officer. If he missed a clear opportunity to take down the shooter, that of course could undermine their case. Court resumes tomorrow at 9 a.m. with Stephanie Hale still under cross-examination. Guys, we'll have to wait and see just how it all plays out.
All right, indeed. Alex, thank you.